Hello guys! Today I am going to find an old car so that I can restore it. Let's go.
Hi, do you want to sell this car?
No.
Hi, do you want to sell this car?
No, this is not just a car, this is a memory.
Oh, I get it, no issue.
Why are you selling this car?
This car belonged to my grandparents. Both of them are no longer in this world, so I can't use it anymore.
Wow, this BMW E30 M3 really has seen better days. Look at this rust. The windshield is broken and the paint is almost gone. But it has so much character. I can imagine restoring this beauty.
This engine is full of history. Old, rusty, but I can imagine bringing it back to life. Look at this vintage setup. So intricate.
Seats are torn, dashboard is warped. Oh, the steering wheel has cracks everywhere. But I can see the potential here.
Okay, let's start restoring this baby. First step, cleaning off all the dirt, dust, and grime. This car has so much potential. Look at these dents, the broken windshield, the peeling paint, but I can fix it. These tires will need replacement, but let's start with the basics.
This rust is stubborn, but it has to come off, otherwise it'll eat through the metal. Each part matters. The dents, scratches, and rust. They tell the story, but I'm going to bring it back to life. Windshield carefully before restoration. Windshield removed, now I can prepare the frame for the new glass. Every edge, every corner matters.
Cover's coated in surface rust, bolts are frozen but still there. This hose, see the crack right along that seam? Battery tray's almost gone, all that blue corrosion. Radiator lip, thin as paper. Mount point here for the chain, heavy orange rust but solid underneath. There we go. Click, good. Let's snug it. Perfect. Dusty, but home again.
Steering column bolts tight, seats solid, pedals clear, radio powers up, panels locked in, engine brace snug, tires are flat, trunk's clean, ready for finishing.
All right, here she is back in the sun, fresh paint shining, little ding still here and there, but looks a mile deep. Hood latch, pop that, engine's in, wired, fires right up, no leaks so far, interior's back together, seats, tape deck, door cards all cleaned up.